welcome TC Electronics. On this video, we are going to see a recruitment update from Paytm. So if you are a person who is having 18 plus age and there is a golden opportunity to earn 30,000 plus on a monthly basis. Okay. So they are not asking any specific qualification or anything. Only the criteria is you should be having an age limit 18 plus and also you should be having an Android phone. Okay. So that is the only criteria they are saying. So a lot of people are eligible for this post, which is called Paytm Service Agent. So if you are interested, please do watch this video till the end. And also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel. Also follow us on our Instagram page. Okay. So the post name is Paytm Service Agent. This is the official site of Paytm. So let us explore what this job is, what is the benefits, what is the salary that you're going to get, everything we are going to see in this video. So this job you can do is either full-time or part-time. And also you can do this from your home itself. So this is a big advantage for a lot of people out there. So if you are working or if you are studying, if you want to do a part-time job and if you want to have a pocket money or a part-time income, then this is actually a very good opening. Okay. So this is the page or the notification of Paytm Service Agent. Let us see that. So here they are saying that if you want to earn up to 30,000 as extra income, means if you are doing something or if you are studying and if you want to have an additional income, up to 30,000 on a monthly basis is possible. Okay. So you can do this. Also, they are saying that you can do it as full-time or part-time or flexi time. Means as a flexible based on your time you can do. Okay. So that is the main advantage of this job. There is freedom and there is flexibility. Okay. So let us explore what are the qualifications and all and what you will be doing in this job. Okay. So here they are saying the things which are the requirements. You have to be 18 years or above, means your age limit should be 18 plus. Then you should have a Android phone of your own and you should have communication and networking skills. Okay. Now, if you want to explore more in detail about this job, they have given a video in this notification, and also they will be conducting seminar or webinars they will be conducting. And this is the timing and the date of the webinar. Every Tuesday and Thursday and Saturday at 11 a.m. And you can attend the webinar on Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 11 a.m. Okay. So there are two options for attending the webinars. Okay. Now, in order to see the details, you can actually scroll down and you can see the frequently asked questions. Okay. So there you will get the detailed description about what you will do, who all can apply, all these things. Okay. So the first question is what I will do. Means this is explaining that what is this job role. Okay. What all things you have to do. So once you become a service agent, you will have to do all these things. That is, you should be onboarding of shopkeepers. It is, you should add shopkeepers for Paytm by placing QR code at their shop. Okay. So we know that nowadays a lot of purchase and transactions is happening through Paytm. So if you add more and more shopkeepers and more merchants to this Paytm site, you will get a payment. Okay. As a commission. And also upselling of our products such as soundbox, card machines. There are certain products of Paytm. If you are selling these products, you will get a commission. And also we know that there are also other things, for example, electricity bill, booking of train, flight, all these things, and also mobile recharge. All these things, if you are doing for the customers, you will be getting the commission. Okay, these are the main things you have to do if you are working as an agent. So you'll be basically working as an agent, and you will get a commission from Paytm. That is the nature of job. Okay. Again, if you want to see the more details about the job and all, there is a video here. You can click this. This is actually a video on with Paytm. Okay. So you can click it and you can see the video. So detailed description they have given here. Okay. Now let us see the next question. Then who can apply? Means what is the eligibility? That we have already seen. Means 18 plus age limit, and also you should have an Android phone and you should be having good uh, communication skills and networking skills. Okay, additional advantage will be for those who are having prior sales experience and comfortable with traveling. Okay, otherwise also you can apply. Next, what all documents do I have to submit? Means if you are going to apply for this post, what all documents you need to apply? That is, you have to submit Aadhaar card, you have to submit, and also you have to give your highest educational qualification certificate. Okay, so whatever is your highest educational qualification, the certificate copy you have to submit, and also Aadhaar copy, both copies. Okay, next, usually how many days does the onboarding process take? Okay, it is actually it is instant, means very quickly it will happen. Okay, another question is, can I have an own business apart from service agent? Yes, because in the beginning itself, I've told you that this job you can do it as part-time or full-time. If you're doing it as part-time, means you can do some other job, and also as a part-time job you can do this. Okay. So what will be the payout structure? They have given in the beginning itself, up to 30,000 you can get as a payment. Okay. So these are the details generally people do ask in the comment section also. So that's why I've read out the frequently asked questions. Okay. So we have seen the eligibility criteria, and also we have seen what is the nature of job. Okay, so if you are comfortable with this type of job, and if you want to do it as a pay means a part-time job, so you can definitely apply here. There is no other barriers, there is no other specific skills or age limit or anything. Anyone can do this. Housewives, people who are studying, all the people can do or apply to this post. Okay. Now talking about the selection process, here there will be technical interview and HR interview will be there probably, because there is no scope of aptitude examination here. But anyway, you can expect that also. Probably there'll be a technical interview and HR interview. Means if you have some, they'll be analyzing if you have some prior knowledge in the scales, or if you are interested in doing this job, or if you are good enough in convincing the people. All these things they'll be testing. Okay. So that will be the selection process. Now, in order to apply, you can see here also there is an icon which is called apply now. And also below you can see there is a apply now icon. Okay. So you can click on it and you can apply online. So be ready with your copy of Aadhaar card and also your highest educational qualification certificate before applying. Okay. So that is the two things you have to keep ready before applying. Okay. So that's all about the recruitment update from Paytm. A lot of people is interested in doing these type of part-time jobs. So that's why I've brought this job update. So if you are interested, please to apply for it as soon as possible. This link is active. So after 1 week or 2 weeks, it may get deactivated. So please to apply for it as soon as possible. So that's all about the job update from Paytm. If you are interested, please to apply for it. And if you found the video useful, please to give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.